Ng'anyo mar nases e kaunti ma Siaya odonjo e odiechienge mar adek kawuono ka Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo okwayogi mondo gidog e tich e seche maten kaunti ma Siaya temo mar chopo dwaro maggi. Ng'anyono manochakore tich adek jumani kaluwore kod riwruog nases mar Kenya National Union of Nurses en nikech ten kaunti ma Siaya oserem chopo singo mar winjruok mane gichope dwe mokalo mane omiyo gichungo ng'anyo mar mondo mi gilalre. Jagoro mar riwruog nases bade ma Siaya Kennedy Hamisi oseyo ten kaunti ma Siaya kuom jwang'o dwaro maggi kata obedo ni ne gimiyo ten kaunti no dwe achiel mar chopo dwaro maggi. Nases go ywago deko mar osara mar dwe mar aboro e kind dwaro mamoko. Koloso ewi wachno, Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo okwayo nases mondo doge tich kowacho ni dwaro gi moko dwaro twak matut kod duol mar governors ka dwaro mar chudo mar osara ma odeko osenon kendo gibiro chako yudo omenda odiochieng' ma kawuono.
We did another strike notice to our employer. The employer never engaged us in any way. And then we decided now to down our tools officially as from yesterday. We are on this strike until further notice. The further notice means until the employer implements our agreement that we had last month.
We are not ready for any negotiations. What we want today is implementations, no meetings. If at all there is a meeting, then it is a meeting that should tell us that all our grievances have been met.
It is the county government of Siaya striking against wananchi, against the citizens of Siaya County. The vital health system and health services has been compromised.
And we are here on street. We want to say this, that we urge the public to join us. We are here suffering because of them. We are going for our workplaces, we are not being paid, we are offering services, we are not being remunerated. We are here out, and let everybody know that this strike is going to take the longest time possible.
But we appeal to them to allow this matter to be resolved peacefully. Let's sit around the table at national level through the Council of Governors and their national officials, and locally, if we reach an understanding that as of today, their monies will be paid for the month of August, because I don't think we have any arrear.